Watch me install this beautiful wig on myself. I'm taking my micellar water and my cotton pad to clean my forehead to get rid of any excess oil or dirt. You can use rubbing alcohol. Clean my. You can use fan to dry or hand dryer on a cold setting. Wear a hairnet. If you can do board cap method too, it's okay. This is the wig. I've freestyled it to put on your wig to see where you're supposed to put the glue. You can mark the area where you're supposed to put the glue with a different pencil color to get the correct placement of the glue. I'll be using a white pencil to mark where I will place the glue. Push the hair backwards like this. Go in with your glue. So for the glue, I'm using Love Beauty glue. Shake your glue before you use. I'll use my hand instead of brush. It really spreads the glue very thin, like I like it. Cotton pad and the micellar water to get rid of that thing. So now let's this lace down. Then use your hand to press the glue lace onto the glue first before you use a comb. Okay, take a tail comb like this. Use this flat side, to really press the lace onto the glue. Press it, really do press it. So I'm going to tint my lace with a flat brush. Use it to tint your lace. Blow dry with a hand dryer on a cool settings or with a fan. To check if it has dry, use your hand and place it on the lace like this. If you see residue, that means it's still drying, but if you don't see any residue there, that means it has dried up, and then you band it. So according to a cane, you are supposed to band the lace for an hour, but my dear, if you can just band it for 20 minutes, then you're good to go. Okay, make it tight. Let's remove the pins so we can style the wig. I'm putting a little hair oil in my hand to run through the curls. Let's remove the band and see to the gauze. Wide tooth comb to brush through the curls, but start from the bottom before. I love this. With my hot comb to really flatten it down. Subscribe and turn on the notification so that anytime I post, you'll be the first to watch. Thank you so much.